Before you start cutting produce, always make a flat surface on round foods for safety. First up, the chop. Start by cutting the produce into a manageable size. Line up evenly and cut in smooth motions passing through produce to make even cuts. Aim to make pieces approximately the same size. Next up, the julienne. First, split the produce to make flat sides and pieces. Then, cut smoothly into thin, long strips. Ready to make some planks? First, cut off the head and tail of the produce and make a flat surface. Then, pass the knife through to make wide, flat slices, like the shape of sweet potato fries. Let's learn to dice. First, halve the produce to make flat sides. Then, cut across it in one direction to make long, thin pieces. Pull together and then rotate and pass through again to produce fine cubes. Let's mince things up. Follow the same process as the dice. Then, press it all together into a tight pile and pass the knife through in smooth, repetitive movements. Use hand to gently re-scoop pile together and continue to pass the knife through until you produce your desired chop. Now, let's create some coins. Start by cutting off the head and tail of the produce. Use the claw method to press the produce flat into the cutting board. Cut smoothly across the width of the produce and scooch your claw hand down the length of the produce, with your knuckles always touching the blade when cutting. For half moons, cut down the length of the produce before slicing. For more tips, visit celebrateyourplate.org.